Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today is Friday 11 and my day off it's over. It's time to go back to work again. Hi honey.
Hi.
Hello. Yes honey.
Going to work?
I need more day off.
Yes, slacker.
But anyways, guys, I don't want to go to work. Today is a bad weather. It's snowing.
Lovely out. Lovely out.
Lovely now. It's quite windy and it's snowing outside. I don't know. Hold see. I'm gonna turn my camera a little bit. I just want to show you this now. But yeah, bad weather today. It's snowing, and Dan said it's lovely now. I'm freezing. I'm having like Rayuma attack. Do you know the Rayuma attack, honey? Do you know? No, you don't know the Rayuma. What are you doing?
Making tea.
Oh, he's making tea. He's making tea.
What are you doing?
But anyways, I'm just waiting for my ride and stare outside. It's cold. It is cold. But yeah, it's time to go back to work. I want more day off.
Get the next 2 days off.
Oh no.
3 days off this week.
Really? 3 days off this week?
Yeah, but I still get 40 hours, so I'm good.
Lucky.
I work too much.
Lucky, but
I work just as many hours as you. I just do it in 4 days.
Okay.
Normally I work 50 hours a week.
Yeah. It's snowing. Give me my case. Bye guys. I'm going to work. Yeah. Good evening, it's 11:47 p.m. So gabi na, kakauwi ko lang galing sa work. So yehey. Ang lamig sa labas guys. Still snowing outside. So malamig. But yeah, kauwi ko. Alexa, what's the weather today?
Currently, in Denver it's 32 degrees Fahrenheit with flurries. Tonight, you can expect snowy weather with a low of 26 degrees.
Oh, cold. 26 degrees.
In Coldbrook Springs, Massachusetts, it's 8 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies. Today, you can look for mostly sunny weather with a high of 24 degrees and a low of 8 degrees.
Okay, it's cold. But anyways, I'm home.
Sorry, I'm having trouble. Please try in a little while.
Alexa, stop. So, yan guys, kauwi ko lang galing sa trabaho. Malamig. It's like 26 degrees outside. Ooh. My feet is freezing. But anyways, see you later guys. Good morning guys. Today is Saturday 11:25 in the afternoon already. So, I just get off the shower. So the only thing, my problem after I get off the shower, all my hair is tangled. So it's hard to comb my hair. They're all tangly. So it took like maybe 15 minutes to comb my hair. So that's why the reason. Look at that guys. Oh my god. Those, it's hard to comb. Like so the only easier way to comb my hair, like nice and not tangly, is not hard to comb my hair. So I'm gonna use this oil. It's a shine polisher oil for hair to make it softer. And then the next one is the Pantene leave-in conditioner hairspray, detangling spray. Yan siya guys. Yan lang yung ano ko. Ang ginagawa ko, spray ko lang sa buong buhok ko. Kasi, naku, ang hirap talagang supply niyan. Tapos, ganyan ko lang siya. Spray ko lang siya. Ganyan. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya nitong oil. Para malambot supply, mabilis ng ano, supply ng buhok. Ano ko lang sa buhok ko. Kasi just ko. Guys, comment down below kung if you have if you're having experience like this hair, like tangled hair, like it's bad and it's hard to comb your hair. Just comment down below and let me know. Share your like tricks how to comb your hair easily. Because I'm having trouble combing my hair. I have to put oil. Like, dagdagan ko pa nga guys para mabilis kumain. I don't know. I use conditioner though and shampoo, but it's all tangly. I comb my hair before I jump into the shower so that when I get off the shower, it's easily to comb my hair, but it doesn't look like easily. It's all tangly, and after I put those two products, I have to do this, like separate all the hair that tangly, like wrapping together. Oh my god, ayan guys, oh, ang hirap niyan guys. Ayan. Ganyanin ko lang siya, guys. I just gonna make sure all like separated. And after that, I'm ready to comb my hair. So guys, it's look like I already separated all the tangled hair. So now it's ready to comb my hair. Ayan guys, oh. Madali lang siyang suklayin. Yan. Pag in-slide mo yung comb, it's easier than I haven't put a product yet for detangling. So yeah. So if you hear something noise guys, like noisy, I'm sorry about that. I'm in the bathroom. That is the bathroom fan now. So ayan guys, madali lang siyang suklayin. Magre-ready na ulit kasi may pasok ulit ako ngayon. After this, I'm gonna eat lunch, brush my teeth, and get ready for work. So, ayan na guys. Ang bilis lang suklayin. Ayan. Ano na siya? Hindi na siya detangling. So, it's for my hair problem guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and eat lunch and see you later guys. Hello guys, it's time to go to work again. Today is Saturday. Hopefully it's not gonna be busy today. Yeah, honey.
Yeah.
I doubt it. It's gonna be busy today because it's Saturday.
It looks scruffy.
Yes. But anyways,
in like 2 days, I'm gonna have a full beard.
Yeah. I don't wanna go to work. Do you?
No, that's why I'm off.
Good.
I already worked 40 hours this week.
Lucky, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go to work guys. Bye. Ooh, it's way better, not too dark when I do this. Really?
Silly.
But see you later guys. Hello guys, so I'm just gonna end this video. So today is Sunday 13. It is already 1:22 p.m. So I'm about to go to work in 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna end this video and I'm gonna show you this little guy PM. So I'm about to go to work in 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna end this video and I'm gonna show you this little guy here that I got before. So I think Saturday when I get off of work, and then I got because it's winter here already, and it's look like so cute. But if you don't know me, guys, I love pink so much. Every time I see pink, whatever is that, it's so cute for me. So when I get off work, I got this little guy here because it's winter here and it's cold, and it's super cute, and it's pink. So ayan guys, ang cute. Diba guys, ang cute. Ayan, pang winter. Tapos meron siya ditong, itatay mo siya dito, ganyan. Ayan, ang cute. Tsaka itong partner na gloves. Ang cute niya kaya. Wala, nagandahan lang ako. Ang ganda-ganda ng kulay. Ito guys, oh. Yung gloves, ano siya, may sizes siya. Pero yung hat, one size lang siya. Ayan guys, oh, ang cute. Pag nag-snow, ang cute niya, oh, partner. Yun, ang cute. Ganda. Ayan, oh. So, nung pauwi na ako galing sa work, bumili ako. So, medyo may kamahalan nga lang yung gloves. Ano siya, 1997. So, nabili ko to sa Walmart. Time through yung ano niya. Ang ganda! Ang ganda ng kulay. I like it. So cute. And ito yung hat. Yung hat, anong kulay ba ito? Yung hat medyo mura siya. 1947. Hi, honey.
Hi.
I'm vlogging.
Wow, you're bright.
1947. What time is it?
Oh,
I still have time.
1:24.
I'm going to get ready soon. Hi, honey.
Oh no. Wow, I'm hairy.
Ooh, look at you. Ooh. But anyways, it's cute. I like it. Did you see this, honey? When we're gonna float to the it's cute. Look.
Yeah, you told me about it, and I was like,
See?
it sounds expensive. And of course you bought it.
It's cute.
Of course you bought it.
It's so funny.
She buys everything.
It's cute. I'm going down soon. It's cute. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.